Welcome to GEDprep AI Tutor, hands-free lessons designed for learning on the go. Whether you're driving, walking, or commuting, stay sharp and learn smarter anytime, anywhere. In today's language arts lesson, we're going to focus on one of the most essential reading skills you'll need for the GED test, and honestly, for life in general, identifying the main idea and understanding the supporting details. Let's start with the basics. Restating means putting an idea into your own words. Summarizing, on the other hand, means creating a shorter version of the text that highlights only the most important ideas and details. Both are valuable because they force you to think about what the text really means. Key points. To restate an idea, explain it in your own words. To summarize, focus on the main ideas and the key supporting details only. A. Restating ideas. Restating shows you understand someone else's idea without copying it word for word. It's like explaining the same point to a friend in your own way. Let's walk through an example. As you read this short passage, think about how you would describe the situation in different words. Example passage. In our neighborhood, pizza is no joke. Two places compete for the top spot, Tony's and Bella's. Fans of Tony's say the crust is just the right amount of crunchy, while Bella's supporters argue that no one does toppings like Bella's. My family has always ordered from Tony's. Every Friday night, my brother picks up our usual, one large pepperoni with extra cheese. We've been loyal customers for years, and we even know the delivery driver by name. Tony's loyalists often claim that their pizza is more authentic, with traditional ingredients and a handmade feel. Bella's fans, on the other hand, swear by their creative topping combinations. The debate is part of every game night, birthday, or celebration in our house. Choosing a pizza place is a matter of pride here. Now here's the question. How do people in the neighborhood feel about pizza? 1. They think pizza is an unhealthy choice. 2. They treat their pizza preferences very seriously. Correct answer is they treat their pizza preferences very seriously. Explanation. The phrase "pizza is no joke" tells us that people care deeply about their pizza choices. Why not option? They think pizza is an unhealthy choice. The passage never mentions anything about pizza being unhealthy, so that answer doesn't fit. B. Summarizing. Now let's move to summarizing. To summarize, you shorten a passage down to its most important points. The goal is to keep the main idea and a few key details, but leave out the extra description. We'll use the same pizza example. Here's the question. Which of the following statements best summarizes the difference in opinion over the pizza places? 1. Tony's fans prefer a classic crust, while Bella's fans like creative toppings. 2. Tony's is popular on Fridays, while Bella's is popular on birthdays. Correct answer is Tony's fans prefer a classic crust, while Bella's fans like creative toppings. Explanation. This option clearly sums up the main difference in opinions. The debate is really about crust versus toppings. Why not option Tony's is popular on Fridays, while Bella's is popular on birthdays? That choice is too specific and doesn't capture the main idea of the passage. C. Recap. To review. Restating means putting ideas into your own words to show you understand them. Summarizing means condensing a passage into the main idea plus only the most important details. Restating helps you recognize meaning in new wording, while summarizing helps you focus on the big picture. Mastering both will make you stronger at reading, thinking, and answering GED test questions with confidence. Download GEDprep AI Tutor for more free lessons and practice tests. Now that you've learned the key concepts, let's check your understanding with a few review questions. Question 1. What does it mean to restate an idea? Option 1. To express the same idea using different words. Option 2. To list all the details from the passage. Option 3. To copy the original words exactly. Option 4. To shorten the original passage. The correct answer is to express the same idea using different words. Explanation. When you restate an idea, you take the original thought and rewrite it using your own words, but the meaning stays the same. This shows you really understand the idea instead of just repeating it. Think of it like explaining something you read to a friend. You don't repeat the sentence word for word, but you get the message across clearly. Question 2. What is the main goal of summarizing a passage? Option 1. To include every fact from the text. Option 2. To rewrite the passage using synonyms. Option 3. To present only the main ideas and key details. Option 4. To describe the passage using personal opinions. The correct answer is to present only the main ideas and key details. Explanation. When you summarize a passage, your goal is to capture the essential points, what the passage is mostly about, without including every small detail. A summary gives a shorter version of the text that highlights only the main ideas and most important supporting details. Question 3. Which sentence best restates this idea? Our family visits the same restaurant every weekend because we love the food and the service. A. We go to a different restaurant each time. B. Our family only eats at home on weekends. C. We go to the same place weekly because we enjoy what they serve and how they treat us. D. The restaurant has the best prices. The correct answer is, we go to the same place weekly because we enjoy what they serve and how they treat us. Explanation. The original sentence says two things. The family goes to the same restaurant every weekend, and the reason is they love the food and service. Option C repeats both ideas in new words, so it's the best match. The other options change the meaning. B says they eat at home. D talks about price, not mentioned. And A says they go to different restaurants. Search GEDprep AI Tutor on App Store or Google Play and start mastering every subject today. Or, if you want a more convenient option, simply click the link in the description below to download the app.